Hello friends, today me and my friends visit the Mysore Palace, also known as Ambavilas. It is a historical palace and a royal residence. It is located in Mysore, Karnataka, India. It used to be the official residence of the Wadiyar dynasty and the seat of the Kingdom of Mysore. The palace is in the center of Mysore and faces the Chamundi Hills eastward. Mysore is commonly described as the city of palaces, and there are 7 palaces including this one. However, the Mysore Palace refers specifically to the one within the new fort. The land on which the palace now stands was originally known as Mysore. Yadurya built the first palace inside the old fort in the 14th century, which was set ablaze and reconstructed multiple times. The old fort was built of wood and thus easily caught fire, while the current fort was built of stone, bricks and wood. The current structure was constructed between 1897 and 1912 after the old palace burnt down. The current structure is also known as the new fort. Mysore Palace is one of the most famous tourist attractions in India after the Taj Mahal, with more than 6 million annual visitors. The last palace, now known as the Old Palace or the Wooden Palace, burned to ashes during the wedding of Jayalakshmani, the eldest daughter of Chamraja Vodeyar in 1896. Maharaja Krishnaraja Vodeyar IV and his mother Maharani Kempanan Jammani Devi commissioned the British architect Henry Irwin to build a new palace. P.W. Fritchley worked as a consulting engineer. Meanwhile, the royal family stayed in the nearby Jagmohan Palace. Construction was overseen by an executive engineer in the Mysore Palace division. He conducted elaborate architectural studies during his visits to Delhi, Madras, and Calcutta, and these were used to plan the new palace. The construction cost was placed at 41,47,913 rupees, and the palace was completed in 1912. The palace was further expanded in around 1930, including the addition of the present public Darbar Hall wing, during the reign of Maharaja Jayachamrajendra Wadiyar. The architectural style of domes of the palace is commonly described as Indo-Saracenic, with blends of the Hindu, Mughal, Rajput, and Gothic styles. The entire architecture and construction overseen and inspected by an executive engineer of respective division. It is a 3-story stone structure with marble domes and has a 145-foot 5-story tower. The palace is surrounded by a large garden. The main complex is 245 foot long and 156 foot wide. There are fire extinguishing machines located in all parts of the palace in order to prevent any fires. The palace has 3 entrances. The east gate, the front gate, opened only during the Dasra and for dignitaries, the south entrance, for the public, and the west entrance, usually opened only during the Dasra. The 3-story stone building of a fine grey granite with deep pink marble domes has a facade with several expansive arches and 2 smaller ones flanking the central arch, which is supported by tall pillars. Above the central arch is a sculpture of Gajalakshmi, the goddess of wealth, prosperity, fortune, and abundance, with her elephants. There are 3 major exclusive temple buildings within the old fort, and about 18 inside the central palace building. The palace was built adjacent to the even older Parkala Mutt headquarters, whose leaders have remained the Rajgurus, royal teacher and guide of Mysore kings. The kings of Mysore were devotees of goddess Chamundi, hence the palace faces the Chamundi Hills. The palace houses 2 Darbar halls, ceremonial meeting halls of the royal court, and incorporates an array of courtyards, gardens, and buildings. Apart from its outstanding architecture, The palace is also known for its impeccable roof art, tiles and mosaics, paintings of the royal family and festive possessions. There also lies display rooms containing old cannons and rifles used by the imperial army, as well as mounted ivory, sandalwood and pearl boxes, as well as granite carvings of animals. Apart from this, they have the elephants and camels in the palace backyards, and they are used when Dasara festival is celebrated in the palace.